The DATRAN 1500 engine, a revolutionary development by India's DRDO, is setting new benchmarks in military technology. Designed to power next-generation tanks, this 1500 horsepower powerhouse boasts unmatched efficiency, durability, and adaptability to extreme conditions. Built with indigenous technology, the DATRAN 1500 ensures India's defense remains self-reliant and ready for any challenge. Its advanced cooling system and optimized fuel consumption give our forces a strategic edge. With this engine, DRDO not only strengthens India's defense capabilities, but also paves the way for global recognition in military innovation. DATRAN 1500, powering India's future.